So naghahanap ka ba ng gaming laptop na swak sa budget yung hindi ganun kamahalan, as in sobrang murang gaming laptop? So etong si Acer nag-produce ng bagong model which is the Acer Aspire 7 5188. Now noong 2022, meron silang katulad na model na ito which is a Rosa or an R0 S4. Sobrang lakas ng unit na yun at na-sold out agad. That's why napalitan siya ng bagong model niya noong 2023 which is the Acer Aspire 7 R5 C5. Pero ganun din, naubos din agad yung stocks. Ngayon, this 2024 may bagong model si Acer which is this Acer Aspire 7 5188. Wow. Yung dalawang model na yun is a Ryzen 5. Now, this is an i5 na 12 Gen and naka RTX din. So, titignan natin kung itong unit na ito ay magiging bestseller din katulad ng mga predecessors niya na Rosa or R5 C5. So, samahan nyo ako, i-unbox natin to, tignan natin kung ano yung maganda at pangit dito sa laptop na ito. So, what's inside the box? We have here the setup guides and we also have the charger. So, this is 6.92 amperes, 135 watts, and a 19.5 volts. So, it comes with a bag, so you can see there in the picture. So, pag-usapan naman natin yung appearance nitong 5188. So, the laptop is color black from everything from the top to the body and kahit sa ilalim. Well, technically, the appearance of this is not like a Predator or a Nitro. Yung appearance ng Predator and Nitro, talagang malalaman mo na, uy, that's a gaming laptop. But this one, normally yung mga non-gaming laptop, ganito din talaga yung mga itsura. So, malaman mo lang na gaming laptop is because of my sticker na RTX. Dito sa tracking pad niya, meron dyan fingerprint sensors. There's a sticker here na i5 and an RTX. And some stickers here about the features of an Acer Aspire 7. Meron this sticker na 144Hz, so definitely magandang refresh rate niya. About the ports, on this side, we got here a Type-C, and then dalawang USB 3.0 super speed HDMI LAN port, and saksakan na charger. On the other side, another USB 3.0 na super speed audio combo jack, light indicators if it is nakasaksak o naka-on yung laptop, and a Kensington lock. So, buti naman, lahat ng USB super speed na. And then, I also noticed here, yung intake ng fan niya dito sa ilalim. Ang out ng fan niya is either dito sa gilid or dito rin sa pabuga sa LCD screen. I already told the advantage ng binubugay mainit na hangin sa screen in case na you're using the laptop sa malamig na lugar. The width is 14.3 inch. The depth is 9.6 inch. And the height, less than an inch. While the weight of this unit, it's 1.9 kilograms. So, this is an alphanumeric keyboard. It is a backlit keyboard but comes with one light, which is color white. Let's proceed and let's talk about the specifications of this 5188. Actually, ito yung selling point niya kung bakit to naging mabenta, sabi ni Acer. The complete model is Acer Aspire 7 A715-76G and then -5188. Pag meron kayong nakitang G, ibig sabihin that's a gaming laptop. Now, the processor of this unit is i5 12 Gen. That is i5-12450H. The base is 3.3 while the turbo is 4.4. This is running in 4P cores and 4E cores. That is the total of 8 cores and 12 threads. So we've already done a comparison before between an i5 12 Gen and an i7 11 Gen. And makita nyo dyan na minsan mas mataas pa yung i5 12 compared sa i7 11. If you're gonna compare this unit dun sa mga Ryzen 5 natin mga predecessors, yung dating Rosa, it is a Ryzen 5 5000 series, and even the R5 C5, that's a Ryzen 5 5000 series as well. This is an i5 12 Gen. So meaning to say, about processor, mas lamang ito. Processor comparison and price comparison, medyo mas angat-angat etong bagong unit na ito. The memory is the same. It is also an 8GB by standard, but there are some gaming laptops that's already on 16GB. I'm pretty sure it is upgradable, but we will also remove the chassis. Storage is 512 SSD, and this is a full HD 1920 IPS display, and it comes with 144Hz. Now, about the GPU of this unit, yung dating Rosa kasi is a 1650. The R5 C5 is a 3050. There are both 4GB dedicated. Now, this unit, ang video card nito is RTX 2050. Parang nakakapagtaka lang. I actually also talked to the brands. Bakit ganun? Parang nag-downgrade. Yeah, we understand that after 3050, there should be a 4050. But why did the brand created a 2050? The reason why that they created a 2050 para ma-eliminate na yung 1650. Definitely, mas mataas ang 2050 compared to a 1650. However, the R5C5 is an RTX 3050. This is only a 2050. By means of comparison, syempre, mas mataas yung 3050 ng onte. But however, they're both a 4GB dedicated. So this is running a Windows 11 Home and it comes with a Microsoft Office Lifetime. Kaya nga napaka-ideal nito sa mga architectural students or mga engineering. Kasi number one, for those type of courses, kailangan mo gumamit ng mga Lumion or any 3D rendering application, which is kayang-kaya nitong laptop na ito. And number two, it comes with the Microsoft Office Lifetime. We have some Nitro or Acer Nitro na parang some of them walang Microsoft Office. But this is already included on this package. So camera quality of this 5188 is actually good. Hindi ganun, hindi pangit. And it's not really that good, but it is above average. Okay, so I've also tested the sound quality of this video recorder. Okay naman, hindi naman mahina, actually malakas. And what you're hearing right now is actually the audio quality coming from this 5188.
I think.
Fix. We have to rendezvous with Bravo team or we're dead. Keep pushing forward. I'll meet you there.
Copy that. Welcome to the daily grind.
Protecting her Wally!
Okay, so katulad ng mga dating model niya, yung fan niya ay nandito sa isang side lang. Mas maganda sana kung yung fan niya ay magkabilaan para mas maganda ang cooling system. Alright, so I'm pretty sure na nandito ang kanyang CPU and yung GPU. And this laptop is an 8GB memory and meron siyang kasamang free slot. Pwede pa kayo magdagdag ng extra memory. Ang ideal, of course, sa 8GB, pinaka-ideal is the same speed of memory. Kasi pag mas mababa yung memory na kinabit mo, yun ang ifa-follow ng computer. So, about the storage, this is a 512 SSD. It comes with another M.2 slot na libre. Wi-Fi card is here. Battery, CMOS battery is here. Dalawang speakers. So just to sum it up, pwede pa kayo magdagdag dito ng memory and ng storage. This laptop comes with a 1-week replacement and a 2 years Acer warranty. Now, let's proceed with the cons. Number one, aesthetically, hindi mo makikita na this is a gaming laptop. Parang it's just a standard laptop. But of course, once you open the laptop, ayan, makikita mo, uy, gaming laptop pala to. Looks might be deceiving. Other cons on this laptop is kanyang video card. Kasi last year, it was 3050 and now they downgraded to 2050. Probably it's because na mas mura ang 2050 compared to 3050. But they are both 4GB dedicated. So the other cons on this laptop is yung kanyang mga fans. Patulad ng mga dating model ng Aspire 7, yung dalawang fan niya pinagtabi sa isang side. It is very ideal kung yung dalawang fan ay nakaseparate in both ends of the laptop to have a better cooling. Let's proceed with the pros on this laptop. Now, we're gonna compare it dun sa mga dating models niya. For comparison, no? So, number one, about the processor. Yung mga dati kasi, mga naka-Ryzen 5 5000 series lang. This is an i5 12 Gen. Minsan, yung i5 12 Gen na yan ay mas mataas pa sa i7 na 11 Gen. So, processor-wise, lamang na lamang itong unit na ito. Number two, yung kanyang refresh rate. Okay? So, this is a 144Hz. Dati kasi yung mga gantong model is only 60Hz. If you're gonna play an FPS on 60Hz, may kita nyo yung screen tearing. Take it from me, na-experience ko na yan. Kaya nga, if you've been on 144Hz, parang ang hirap bumaba sa 60Hz. Sasakit ang mata mo pag nasanay ka sa mataas na 120Hz. Other pros on this unit, well, it comes with a Microsoft Office because there are some Nitro na walang Microsoft Office and this is already lifetime. Now, about the price of this unit, this is only 40,000. Kasi yung R5C5, yung naka 3050, that is 42,000 and yung dati 38,000. For a 40,000, naka-gaming laptop ka na may Microsoft Office at hindi lang yon. At this very moment, this laptop is running an Acer promo. If you purchase this on or before February 5, magkakaroon ka ng SM Appliances e-gift voucher for 5,000 pesos. So, magagamit nyo yung voucher na yun sa any SM Appliances store. For example, bumili kayo ng washing machine na worth 10,000, 5,000 na lang. So parang dito, hindi mo na siya binibili ng 40,000, parang 35,000 na lang. At hindi lang yun. Warranty will be upgraded. From 2 years, it will be a 3 years warranty. And not just a normal warranty, it will be a door-to-door service. Anong ibig sabihin ng door-to-door? Pag nasira yung laptop ninyo, itawag mo lang sa Acer at magpapadala sila ng technician, aayusin sa bahay ninyo. That is what they call door-to-door service. So isipin nyo, if you're gonna purchase this within, on or before February 5, you will have a gift voucher and another 1-year warranty extension premium service. Honestly speaking, it's actually a good deal. Kahit matapos na yung promo, it's still a good deal. Kasi yung dati niyang predecessor, yung mga 1650, pati yung 3015 na mas mahal, nabebenta nga eh. What more ito na mas mataas yung processor and mas mataas yung refresh rate. And hindi lang yun, syempre, it would be best na ma-avail nyo to on or before the promo. So, I think nasabi ko na lahat ng tungkol dito sa unit na ito. This will be available on all of our stores nationwide. And by the way, congratulations nga pala sa winner do sa last question natin kung anong ranking ni HP no 2022. Dito sa Laptop Factory, it is actually 3rd. Okay, so if you see your name in there, messages on Viber, bibigyan ka namin ng giveaway free. So sana nakatulong tong video na ito, and if yes, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you for watching. This is Tito Dustin. Have a good day. Bye-bye.